everything that we need for company. Second shelf is everything for cooking. Third shelf, baking. Fourth shelf is cereals and snacks for the kids. And then the bottom is just my pancake flour, if you guys follow my Instagram stories. And my slow cooker, and then just potatoes and oranges and produce and just extra things that don't fit on the shelves. And then I was even able to fit my Crosswave vacuum mop thing in the corner. So very happy with how this turned out. I have huge shelves that hold tons of stuff. So I am going to post in the description a link to a video to see what kind of organizer you are. So I'm a ladybug, which is why I like bins that you can't see through to put all your clutter in, that are just really quick and easy that you can throw them in, just general bins. So yeah, check that video out. Then you guys can see what kind of an organizer you are, and it'll help you guys organize your pantries if that's something on your to-do list. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys next week where I reveal our backsplash. And it's a very budget-friendly, kind of unconventional way of doing a backsplash these days, and I love how it turned out. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye!